Story time. A friend in the garden. Tina loved to play with her toys at home. She made little tea parties all by herself. But sometimes she wished she had a friend. Every day, Tina took some nuts to her garden. She placed them outside for the birds to eat. Watching them made her feel happy and calm. One day, it rained very hard. Tina could not go outside to leave the nuts. She looked out the window and felt a little sad. The next morning, the sun shone bright. Tina went to the garden and saw a little girl. She had never seen her before. The little girl spoke softly to Tina. "I was eating the nuts you left," she said. "I was very hungry. Thank you for helping me." The little girl smiled and gave Tina some flowers. From that day on, they became best friends. They shared food, laughter, and stories. In the garden, Tina was never lonely again.